Hi everyone, I am Jia, Microsoft MVP. From my previous video, I shared about text analytics, but today I will share with you about cognitive services LUIS with a bot framework. What is that? What stands for LUIS? Language Understanding Intelligent Services. Who am I? Not important. The most important you have learned from this video. I am Microsoft MVP, speaker and a trainer. If you want to invite me to your country have a meetup, then it's okay. It's no problem for me. I'm more open to other country because I like to travel to meet people in a different country. Other than that, I am also MCSA Cloud Platform and MCSE Cloud Platform and Infrastructure. Lastly, I am co-organizer of MalaysiaMobile.net developers group, but I'm currently staying in Singapore. I try to have twice a month back to Malaysia to have my local user group meetup. Maybe you will ask why I'm not do the online meetup, because the most of my meetup is a workshop style, because most of the attendee, they want to come to the workshop to learn something. Today's objective is help you to understand cognitive services APIs offer quick and easy AI function without developing machine learning models that you can use within your app from today for free. For today's goals is to encourage you to build up a new AI empowered apps and services in the short terms. For today's requirements, you need to have a Microsoft account, Microsoft Azure account, Visual Studio 2017, and you must download the bot application template and put inside the project template in the Visual Studio 2017. Other than that, you need to download the bot framework emulator, because later we will use the bot framework emulator. Okay, for today's agenda, I will introduce you about the LUIS APIs, then demo with the LUIS website and how to implement inside the bot framework by integrate with the LUIS API. After the lastly is the reference and tutorial. Okay, language understanding intelligence service, as known as LUIS, is fall in a category of language in a cognitive services. If you don't want to know more about the cognitive services, you can refer my first video. Actually, what is LUIS? Language Understanding Intelligence Services. Language understanding allow your application to understand what a person wants in their own word. LUIS use the machine learning to allow the developer to build applications that can receive user input in natural language and extract meanings from it. A client application that converse with the user can pass user input to a LUIS application and receive relevant detailed information back. Maybe you not understand this one? Okay, let's go for demo. First, you need to go to Louis website, louis.ai. Okay. I think it's better go to the portal Azure portal first. Okay, at first you need to create a new bot services. You click new. I'll select a bot. Then it will show you a few things about it's a web app bot. Then click create. You need to name your bot name, so and so on, but the bot template you need to change it because we're not using the basic. We need to select the language understanding. Then after that you create. It will show. Then you go to the list.ai. List.ai. In my app tab, then it will show you the bot that you have created. Let me delete my previous one. I better cancel. I delete it. Then after that, you go to the entity. What is entity? What is instance? At first, you need to create a new instance. Previously I put a shirt.people. Let me show you what is, for example, like I want to shirt some people. I shirt John, find John, then go back. Then when you access to the bot, then the bot will greet you welcome. And I put what's up, yo. Then I also greet the farewell. Greet the farewell. See you again. Then this is the U-turn. Let me discuss one by one. Okay, we go to greet the welcome. At first, what is instance? An instance represents action the user want to perform. The instance is a purpose or goal expressed in a user input, such as booking a flight, paying a bill, or finding a news article. You define a new intent that corresponds to this action. For example, like a travel app may define intent to book a flight. For me, I put my intent is greet the welcome. Then how about the U-turn? And U-turn is text input from the user that your app need to understand. It may be sentences like book a trip, book a ticket to Paris, or fragment of sentences like booking or Paris flight. U-turns are not always well performed, and there can be many U-turns variation from a particular intent. Maybe I type yo, then it will reply me. Or for example, like the intent of shirt of people, a shirt for John, find somebody. Then the person name is entities. What is entity? An entity represents details information that is relevant in the U-turn. For example, in the U-turn, book a ticket to Paris. Paris show that it's a location. By recognizing and labeling the entities that are mentioned in the user U-turn list, help you choose the specific action to take to answer user requests. Okay, after you enter everything, you need to save and change it. Then you can test it. Then I no need to test already. Then after that, you need to click publish to a production, then publish to a production slot. Then after that, you go to your Visual Studio. Go to the Solution Explorer. Then you create a one intelligent dialog. Then you key in the list intent. You saw it. None. When you enter a not related word, then it will show you the bot will show you and do not understand you. When good welcome, then you will say good morning user, hey user. Then just now I show you the intent farewell. Then it will say goodbye, have a nice day, or bye and take care. If you search for people for the list intent, then you will find for you. Okay, then after that you click F5. It will show you a website with the bot framework. Then after that you click localhost, and you will see that I test it. Okay, when you wait, okay, let's start again. Yeah, it show you I click your good morning user as the reply right here. Yeah, you can show that the response from a bot is a good morning user. Then I find John. Yeah, you have searched for John. Then how about I say greet of farewell. Yeah, it's mentioned goodbye user, have a nice day. Then how about I type other thing? GG, good game. Yeah, the bot will reply me that is the bot not understanding what I talking about. Before the end, after you create the bot, then you go to your resource group, your bot resource group. Then you go to your bot. Then go to application setting. Remember the list API key and list app ID. Then you need to copy these two. Then put in the constant. I put in the constant is better for me to encrypt it. Or other way, you can put at the web.config. You can put at the Luis inside of web config, and you in the app setting section you can put at key equal to list employee helper FID or list and list subscription key. Then at the list model or other way you can put here your app ID and subscription key. Yeah, that's all for today's demo for list and blog framework. Yeah, my blog article will be coming soon. Once will be update, I will put inside the video below. Okay, if you want to know more about the Xamarin, you can go to my slideshare. And also, if you want to learn more about blog framework, then you need to go through step by step for the hands-on lab for blog framework. Other than that, you can follow my Twitter. For YouTube, you can go to my YouTube. I will publish more and more video. Please remember to subscribe me when I got a new video. You will get notification. If you still does not have any Azure subscription, please activate with the Visual Studio Dev Essential, because in the Visual Studio Dev Essential you will get a lot of benefit from that. That's all for today. Thank you very much. If you got any comment for my video, also write in the comment. If you want to know more about other than Microsoft technology, also let me know. I will try to get a different speaker to share with you, or I will share with you about the technology that you request. Remember to subscribe my video. That's all for today. Bye.